So under the assignment tab, you will notice there's 4 different reflections, and they all have the same journal guidelines. The intent of the reflections really is after we've had some guest speakers or we've gone on field trips for you to apply the information, reflect on it. So I'm going to open up reflection 1, and that relates to Victory Junction. You can see the prompt there: discuss how you personally defined assistive technology, tying what you learned in neuro and or movement this past semester, and using good old OTPF, 4th edition terminology when possible. Discuss which campers could benefit from a type of assistive technology available at Victory Junction. See rubric for details. So really thinking about what you learned in neuro, movement, and then using OTPF terminology. Consider what you see at Victory Junction and who could benefit from the type of assistive technology, adaptations, all that you will see at Victory Junction when you're there. Each rubric is worth a total of 6 points. 3 points possible for fully responding to the prompt, and then 3 points possible for following the guidelines, which are 12-point times New Roman font, double spaced, up to 2 pages maximum, and then professional, including correct spelling and grammar, submitted by 9 a.m., the 9 a.m. deadline. So that's reflection 1. Reflection 2 focuses on our trip to the North Carolina Assistive Technology Program Center. And, after our experience there, looking at how you see yourself using assistive technology in your clinical practice, making connections to our trip there, what you see there, and connection to PEDS and neuro or movement, same rubric. Our third reflection relates to wheelchair and mobility devices. And based on what we learned, discuss, reflect on, and discuss the types of clients who could benefit from a device that you select, a mobility device, and with whom you might recommend it. Again, tying things you've learned in the program thus far. With all these reflections, I really want you to connect what you have learned in the program and what you're currently learning in your other classes this semester. And then reflection 4 focuses on driver's rehabilitation and low vision, both topics we'll talk about this semester, and discussing when you might refer a client to one of those specialists. So when you might refer somebody to a certified driver's rehabilitation specialist, when you might refer somebody to a low vision specialist, based on your readings and experiences that you have. And again, same rubric for them. So I look forward to reading your reflections.